Hello and welcome to Morgoth Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing McDonald's Homestyle Crispy Burger, the new one that just brought out recently. As you can see here, got it on a home delivery, obviously with what's going on in the world. Let's give it a go, shall we? It's just turned up, it's piping hot, which is nice. Oh, it's a big old boy. Let's have a look. Look at that bad boy. As you can see, it's got a nice seeded bun on there. Got sesame seeds on there, you've got poppy seeds on there. Loads of salad in this, which is a bit rare for McDonald's. Lovely there, you can see that. Got a lot of sauce in there as well. Never seen so much salad in a McDonald's burger before. You've got the crispy chicken there. You've got cheese, melted cheese there, nice. You can see that, nice melted cheese. Bacon. Right, let's get amongst it. Let's try and pick this up with both hands if we can. We've got purple onion or red, like red onion in there as well. Let's get in there. Let's get it in our face. Let's have a look. Well, that chicken's nice actually. It's quite firm. It's quite a nice bit of chicken there. Very peppery. There's a lot of pepper in that. There's a pepper in the coating, although it's quite a crispy coating, obviously hence the name. The cheese is quite nice as well, you can taste that. And the burger sauce tastes like the Big Mac sauce, to be fair. Yeah, it's really nice big burger. Look at that. It's quite you can hear that. That's a bit of chicken there. You can hear that crispiness. It really is yeah, proper bit of chicken as well. It's not that processed rubbish they usually do. Proper quality bit of chicken breast in there. Yeah, I'd say it's up there with KFC, to be fair. Yeah, watch out KFC. There's like you've got a bit of competition there, to be fair. Yeah, I'd give that a 9 out of 10 for effort. A little bit too much salad for my liking, but being a bit of a salad dodger, as you can see. Yeah. Anyway, thank you.